What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to add a second Face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics, and then in biometrics click on face recognition. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that tap on add alternative appearance to enhance recognition. Now scan your second face here to add the second Face ID. And after scanning the face, the alternative or second Face ID will be added. So that's how you can add a second Face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.